Mmm. No, no. No hands. Mmm. There's Jake trying to feed himself. Are you trying to feed yourself, silly guy? You're so silly. See, I'm a big boy, Mom. I could feed myself. Okay, let me see it. Let me see the spoon. Mmm. There we go. Oh, trying to help me again. Such a cutie. Oh, no more? Okay, here's some more. Oh, watch the hands. Oh, there you go.